Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by turning on Google Photos Backup so new images sync automatically. Open Photos, tap your profile, then Backup. Choose the account and upload size. This controls quality versus storage use. Once done, connect to a stable Wi-Fi and plug in your phone to avoid interruptions. Backups can pause on low battery. Make sure mobile data backup is off unless you accept charges, and verify the last backup time so you know the process started correctly. Now you add redundancy. Copy files locally and to alternative clouds. Connect via USB to a PC, open the phone storage, and copy DSIM and movies folders. This gives a manual, recoverable copy. Alternatively, move media to an SD card if available, which preserves space and provides instant physical backup. Once that's done, install Dropbox or OneDrive and enable camera upload for a second cloud target. This protects against account problems or finish by verifying backups and rehearsing a restore so you know it works. Open Google Photos, check the last backup time, and open several photos and videos to confirm integrity. To restore, sign into the same account on the new Android, enable backup and wait for sync. Large libraries download in background. If files don't appear, clear the Photos app cache, confirm cloud storage isn't full, and reauthorize the account. These steps resolve most sync failures quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.